This thing is amazing. You do not want to miss this video. It really works. So
welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Today I am reviewing this 7-color beauty device that works, guys. This is my go-to anti-aging device. Make sure to stay till the end so you can see these results. So I've already unboxed the product. It came in a little white box, but I don't know where I put it. But it came with directions, the device, which looks like this. It has a power button. This is the back of it, the handle. It has some nice little grids on it for easy gripping, and then the power button is right here, which makes it super easy to handle. It also has this little cover right here to protect your device, and then it came with the instructions as well as this little cute case, and they give you a little hair cover for your hair. So let's go ahead and put the hair cover on. How to use this product. So what I like about it, it has the little ridges in the back, which makes it easy to grip. This fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. It's very lightweight. It has the steel here, and it has the button right here to turn it on. So all you need to do is just wash your skin, and you're going to, which I've already cleaned my skin and added my moisturizer on, and then you're gonna press and hold the button down like so to turn the device on. So this has 7 different colors on it. So the red light, it promotes collagen production. Okay, so this is how it looks red. I hope you guys can see the red, and if you touch it, it vibrates like so. The next light is the green light, which smooths wrinkles and fine lines, which we definitely want. The next light is a blue light, which soothes inflammation and calms your sensitive skin. Then we have the purple light, which promotes lymphatic drainage, which I have a lot around the eye area early in the morning. Then we have the green light, which okay, I don't know if it's green or yellow, but the green smooths wrinkles and fine lines. The yellow reduces melanin production. And there's another blue light called cyan light, which reduces skin tension and swollen capillaries. And then we have the white light, which it doesn't look quite white to me, but the white light relaxes the skin, accelerates growth and healing of skin cells. We're gonna start with the purple light because a lot of times I have like swollen eyes right here. So I like to just push any extra drainage out of my skin. So I'm gonna do this one side and just see if there's a difference. So just take note what this side looks like versus this side and see if you notice a difference in drainage. This feels really good and relaxing on the skin, by the way, and it's just going up smoothly. This feels good. It does feel like everything out of my face is draining. I'm looking at this side where I use the tool versus this side, and this side does look a little slightly more lifted. I definitely am seeing some results. So I'm gonna go to the red light because I like to build collagen in my skin and give me that, you know, plumpy skin. So let's try the red. And note, I'm staying on one side because I want to, at the end of the video, see the difference one side versus the other. So that's why I'm not doing the entire face right now. This one feels a little more smoother, the red. The purple felt a little more like it was vibrating more and it was getting the drainage out. I could literally feel, fluid just kind of going up. Like this is really doing something. And notice that I am going upward, lifting. We want to lift the face. And in your smile lines, I like to focus in this area because as a mature woman, we start to sag as we age right in here, and we start to get those jowls. So this right here is helping to plump up that area. If you notice the deeper lines here, we're going to plump it up a little more and give it some extra collagen and push upwards. Okay, so there is a little bit of redness just after using it because my skin is a little flush, but I definitely can see a difference on this side of my face versus this side of my face. I feel a little bit more lifted. I can feel the blood flowing in this side of my face. It feels like something's happening inside, like, you know, when you get that really good massage and you can just literally feel the blood flowing. Okay, so I would like to focus on my hooded eyes. And a hooded eyes where we start to sag on our eyelids and we get that extra meat that kind of sags here. And I'm going to use the purple on the hooded eye part. We're going to see if we notice a difference on this eye versus this eye and see if it's more lifted. So it does feel like this eye is lifting a lot more than this eye. So let's go over here and try this eye. This feels so good. Okay, so I can definitely see a lift in the eye area, and I usually have a lot of fluid right here. So this machine is doing something good here. My final thoughts on this 7-color beauty device for your face and neck is I like it. I feel like if you are consistently using this, you will see some results. The product is affordable. I like how it feels. I like how easy it is to use, and it really makes me feel like I'm getting a facial and I'm seeing results. I love the purple, the lymphatic drainage. My face feels amazing right now. I feel the blood flowing. I feel like it drained out a lot of the swellingness around my eyes and everything. So I feel like the product does live up to what it says it does. And if you look at the reviews, it's getting like 4.5 stars, like almost a 5-star. So it's a really good device. I will have everything linked below for you if you are interested in the product. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy